review Starburst Boy 88 thinks that he has a BMX. Boy, what are you talking about? This is a BMX. I just ruined it. See? Look at the front, dude. That's a freaking BMX. Just like the ones that you have in Tech Decks. Little bike Tech Decks. This is a real one, you see? It has real tubes on it. Yours doesn't. That means yours is a regular bicycle. But remember this, Michael. I'm not insulting you. I'm just saying that you should call it a regular bike, not a BMX, right? So stop lying to the world. Hey.